Lelwala Niggaha Ella is a small waterfall and natural pool in Pahiyangala, Sri Lanka. Lelwala Niggaha Ella is located 550 meters from the Pahiyangala Ancient Temple, which is 5.5 kilometers from Bulathsinhala, 22 kilometers from Ingiriya and 27 kilometers from Horana, in the western province. This is an extremely valuable, unique, fabulous and hidden natural location in Pahiyangala area. You can get a free fish spa therapy when you get in the water. You can have a swim in the crystal clear water. This is a very beautiful, uncrowded place. Hidden in a forest area, this is a natural pool suitable for swimming.